This is latu. Gamay. Now, this is how to clean latu. This is how to clean. Have to remove the roots. This is the roots. So, this cannot be eaten. See? The roots. This is the roots. To clean. See the roots.